A summer red lip is a bold, fun look. It can be expensive or cheap. I'm testing two great summer lip combos. One is drugstore and one is luxury. Can cheap beat chic? On one side, I've got the highly respected limited edition Marilyn Monroe lip from Lisa Eldridge. Her velveteen liquid lip and her lip liner costs £42, which is $56. My affordable option is the L'Oreal liquid lip and the e.l.f. lip liner. This costs £9, that's $12. That's a difference of £31 or $44. Can a £9 budget combo truly mimic a luxury vintage formulation? Let's find out. Have you guessed which one's which? This side is the drugstore option, and this side is Lisa Eldridge and Marilyn Monroe. Let's start with the luxury side. Lisa Eldridge is famous for her in-depth research on her favourite subject, Marilyn Monroe. She used exact colour formulations to replicate the colours that Marilyn Monroe wore. Here's the liner. This is Enchantment, and it feels really luxurious on the lips, but is it worth £21? It's smooth and creamy, and once it sets down, it doesn't budge. The formula is high wax, high silicone, and it prevents feathering, which we all hate. The velvet formula glides seamlessly without catching or skipping. This is the Velveteen liquid lip in Strawberry Blonde, and this is a unique formula because it can be opaque or you can sheer it out. I'm going to do the opaque look. It feels undescribable actually. It's so smooth. And I tend to just tap it in, giving me the most smooth and seamless look. It feels absolutely weightless, which for £21 I would expect that I don't feel like anything is on my face. So remember this, I'm now going on to the ultimate budget test. You'll be pleased to know that took me a hot minute or two to remove. Now we're going into budget. This is the e.l.f. lip liner and it's in the colour Red Receipt. And this is the L'Oreal liquid lip in I Don't. Red Receipt is really creamy and delivers instant high pigment, and it doesn't tug. Look how easily that goes on. If you haven't used an e.l.f. lip liner before, I do urge you, whether you want red or nudes or any other colours, they are extraordinarily good. They go on so creamy and you think, how can this last and not feather? But once they dry down, they dry down. And how much is this? About £4 compared to this, which is 21. But if you're looking for affordable, this is a great option. This is how short it's getting, and I've got another two as backups. I wouldn't be able to cope if they were discontinued. Some people do say that it is quite soft and it might snap off, although I've had this for so long and it's never happened to me, but that's just something to watch out for. The L'Oreal liquid lip is an oil in water formula, I believe, and when you apply it, the water evaporates just to leave a beautiful pigment. It's technically a lip stain, but not really, giving a very weightless feel on your lips. Look at that. Here's the Lisa side by side. They are slightly different colours. So why did I buy the Lisa Eldridge Marilyn Monroe? I just wanted a little bit of history. And although the formulas are quite similar, they're very different in many ways. But the result is you get long-lasting, beautiful lip colour. £42, $56, £9, $12, you decide. Whichever combo I wear, this has become my go-to look for the summer. And if you want to know how I got the rest of my face, drop me a comment and I'll show you how I got it. I hope you enjoyed this. Please do drop me a like if you did and subscribe if you haven't. I upload at least once a week and I'd love to see you in the next one.